Lamine Yamal made a Ballon d'Or performance against Inter Milan in the Champions League semi-final. He also broke the record of being the youngest player to score in a Champions League semi-final. This was Yamal's 100th appearance in all competitions with Barcelona. However, the first leg finish was a little unfavorable for Barcelona, as it ended with a score of 3-3. And the next leg plays at the Giuseppe Meazza. Haaland, who watched this match, was amazed by the performance of the 17-year-old Lamine Yamal. Until he uploaded this on his Snapchat.